body. Then, asynchron. Okay? Then, don't ban. Huwag magpapaus na ganito. Ha? Ganyan lang po. Okay? Ito lang. Ready? Bouncing. Go. Bounce, bounce. Go. Ganyan lang po. Good. Pagkarinig nyo ng change foot, ha?
Ito lang.
Change foot.
Yan.
Okay. Change foot.
Palit din ang kamay.
Change foot. Reach out. Okay, bounce, bounce. Change foot. Good. Remember, go for your body. Huwag may babas, gumaganon yung box. Yung iba, gumaganon pa. Okay, baka lumipad kayo. Pag lumipad kayo, hindi ka namin makapo. Check! Check! Look! Check! Passing, go for your body. Stop. Focus sa ginagawa. Focus. Okay na. Tingin na tingin sa'yo. This time, double lang ni coach. Double change foot. Siya! Okay? Ready? Bounce!
Palit na kamay.
Bilis, shifting. Bounce! Relax. Ay. This time, mix, Pag single change foot. Pag isang clap, single change foot. Pag double clap, double change foot. Ako po ba? Okay, fight extension. Ready, bounce. Sino mali? Sino mali? Okay, go. Ilan? Ready? Listen, Change foot. Tingnan. Yan, parehas kayo, tingnan natin, Pag may iba, may mali. Okay? Sino mali? Hindi. Kasi Jacob. Ang excellent. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. This time with shout. Inhale. Exhale with shout. Shout! One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale. Good job. Ready? This time, we'll go fighting stance, then bounce. Pag nag-tap si coach, forward. Pag sinabi ni coach na backward, always on guard. Okay? On guard. Like this. Bounce. Forward. Hindi gumagalaw yung katawan, yung legs mo. Hindi pwedeng pag nag-forward ka, okay? Huwag yung parang zombie. Kasi once na pinorward yung katawan nyo, may tendency tatamaan tayo sa ulo. Okay? Kailangan hindi lang forward yung ulo. Okay? Huwag mag-lean forward. Okay? Forward yung katawan. Then lean backward para safe. Nakuha ko ba? Ready? Try. Ulit. Yung next. Right extension. Change foot. Nice. Ready? Bow. Focus. Huwag titingin kay coach. Imagine may kalaban kayo. Okay? May monster kayo kalaban. Monster na lang muna kalaban natin. Okay? Ready? Forward! Forward! Oh, ulit. Backward! Oh, you need to listen, ha? Backward! Forward! Backward! Forward! Forward! Backward! Forward! Backward! Backward! Okay? Makikinig lang sa boses ni Coach. Okay? Oh, sasabay si Coach. Pero kailangan makikinig sa boses ni Coach. Nakuha po ba? Oh, ready? Go! Bounce! Forward! Backward! Forward! Oh, forward! Diba? Sabi ko makikinig sa boses ni Coach o sa movement ni Coach. Okay, ready? Bounce, bounce! Forward! Forward! Backward! 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 Oh, backward! Sukit! Sukit! Backward! Babagalan ni Coach. Backward! Backward! Forward! Forward! Backward! Forward! Backward! Forward! Change foot! Okay, good job. Ready? Ready? Forward! Backward! Forward! Backward! Change foot up. Oh, Nathan, pagod na! Forward! Backward! Forward! Backward! Forward! Backward! Backward! Oh, oh, pabilis na pabilis. Oh, mabagal ulit. Oh, let's go. Arlo, let's do it. Pagod na? Ready? Konti na lang. Oh. Forward! Backward! Forward! Backward! 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 Forward! Okay, check. This here. Good. Ito. Relax. Go. Okay, check it. Go straight. Yung neck. Drink water.